Hey everyone, and welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're diving into what I'd honestly call a massive, high-performance upgrade for your home entertainment setup. If you're someone who absolutely loves a streamlined, high-quality viewing experience, but, kind of hates the technical friction that usually comes with setting it all up, well, you're in exactly the right place. We're breaking down a really fascinating guide by a cybersecurity architect that can literally transform the way you stream.
Okay, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? You sit down with a giant bowl of popcorn, you're totally ready to watch a high-definition movie, and bam, you're hit with those endless, infuriating buffering rings. Or maybe you've been navigating the somewhat murky waters of raw torrent swarms, kind of always worrying about your privacy or getting those lovely letters from your internet provider. Or perhaps you're already pretty deep into the streaming ecosystem and you're actively hunting for a solid, reliable alternative to services like Real Debrid. Well, the powerful solution detailed by Arnav Sharma actually solves all of these pain points, and it does it using a combination of two things, TorBox and Stremio. Okay, let's dive into this.
So here is our roadmap for today's explainer. First up, the ultimate streaming upgrade. Then we'll walk through a step-by-step setup guide. After that, optimizing your playback experience. Then we'll run a thorough security check. And finally, we'll wrap up with troubleshooting common issues. All right, level 1, the ultimate streaming upgrade. Let's demystify the tech behind the curtain. Now, the absolute foundation of this entire setup relies on something called a debris service. If you aren't familiar with that term, think of a debris service as essentially a massive, incredibly fast cloud computer. So instead of your personal laptop or your smart TV struggling to connect directly to dozens of different peers in a super slow torrent swarm, the debris service just steps in and does all that heavy lifting for you in its own massive data centers. And then once it has the file securely, it just hands it directly to you via a clean, secure, and blazing fast HTTPS link. It literally takes all the heavy load off your local machine entirely. It's a total game changer.
So what really sets TorBox apart from an industry heavyweight like Real Debrid? Well, it's all about the integration. TorBox features an official dedicated Stremio add-on that's actually maintained by their own developers. Real Debrid, on the other hand, relies on a third-party tool called Torrentio. And honestly, even better for new users, TorBox offers a free trial tier. This is huge because you can actually test the waters before committing your hard-earned cash, something that's completely absent from Real Debrid. Now, both of them offer massive caches and 4K support for sure, but TorBox's clean official integration just makes it incredibly appealing to explore.
Moving right along to level 2, step-by-step setup guide. It's time to equip your new streaming gear. The initial phase outlined in the guide is all about just gathering your tools. Step 1, you're going to head over to the TorBox website, create an account, and choose between that free trial or a paid plan, which obviously unlocks their full cache speed. Now, step 2 is absolutely critical. You need to navigate to your TorBox settings and copy your private API key. The author stresses this heavily. Treat this API key exactly like your bank password. If anyone else gets their hands on it, they can just use up your account quota. No way we want that. And step 3 is just grabbing the Stremio app itself. If you're doing this on a desktop, version 4.4 is the recommended choice for the best overall compatibility. Moving into the final setup phase. For step 4, you'll access the official TorBox add-on configuration page. Honestly, this is where the magic happens. You paste that secret API key in, and then you set your personal preferences. You can sort by quality, or, my absolute favorite, you can filter out those terrible cam reps where someone's constantly coughing in the front row of the theater. Once you set that up, the page generates a unique, personalized manifest URL just for you. Finally, step 5. You just add this URL to Stremio. On a PC, you usually just click the install button right there on the config page and it opens Stremio automatically. If you're setting it up for a TV, you just paste that URL directly into the Stremio web interface. Super simple. And right here is exactly why this specific combination is so incredibly powerful. Once you complete those 5 steps on your computer, you have achieved zero setup effort for the rest of your home. Stremio add-ons automatically sync across every single device tied to your account. Literally, you set this up once on your PC, and the next time you open the Stremio app on your Android TV, your laptop, or your phone, the whole shebang is instantly there and ready to stream. It is totally frictionless. Up next, level 3, optimizing your playback experience. Let's unlock some advanced streaming abilities. The source material actually outlines a few pro settings you'll definitely want to check out for the best possible experience. First up, if you plan on watching glorious 4K content, you need to ensure hardware decoding is enabled in Stremio's settings. That way, your device's graphics chip can do the heavy lifting. Second, just leave the streaming server on the default local setting for desktop. Third, keep the Open Subtitles add-on installed for unmatched language support. And here's a fantastic pro tip straight from the guide. Stremio caches results locally. So if you ever decide to upgrade your TorBox plan from free to paid, or if you ever have to regenerate that API key for some reason, you absolutely must go into your settings and clear the Stremio cache. Doing that forces the app to fetch fresh, updated data from your new tier.
Now, what if you're a real power user? Say you already have a real Debrid account and you kind of want the best of both worlds. Well, enter AIO Streams. This is an advanced add-on aggregator that literally allows you to run TorBox and real Debrid simultaneously. It pulls in results from multiple sources, magically deduplicates them, and lets you prioritize exactly which provider to use. It actually treats TorBox as a first-class provider, which just gives you total granular control over your entire streaming ecosystem. All right, we've reached the boss level, the security check. Let's answer the big question. Is this setup actually safe?
The fundamental difference here really comes down to the underlying architecture. Think about a raw torrent client for a second. With that, your personal device is out there in a public swarm, actively broadcasting your IP address to hundreds of completely unknown peers. In stark contrast, because the downloading with this setup happens entirely inside TorBox's cloud infrastructure, your device is completely shielded. You simply receive an encrypted HTTPS video stream. So your internet service provider, they don't see some peer-to-peer torrent handshake. They just see standard secure web traffic. And what does all that mean? It means no VPN is required for basic ISP privacy when you're using this setup. Now, the author of our source, Arnav Sharma, is an actual cybersecurity architect, and he lays out some absolutely essential hygiene rules to keep you safe. We mentioned it before, but seriously, treat that API key like your most sensitive password. Keep it locked away in a password manager. Next up, stick strictly to official add-ons. The TorBox setup uses assigned manifest URLs straight from their own domain, which is infinitely safer than just pasting in random scripts you found on some community forum. And while Stremio add-ons are sandboxed, meaning they can't just go rummaging through your computer's local files, rogue add-ons could still try to make weird network requests, so stick to the official stuff. Finally, TorBox's cache-first model means you are just streaming video, not downloading random, potentially sketchy files directly to your hard drive. This massively limits your local attack surface.
And as a quick bonus level, troubleshooting common issues. Let's cover some quick fixes for any streaming hiccups.
Let's run through some rapid-fire solutions here. If you aren't seeing any streams at all, your very first check should absolutely be verifying that your API key hasn't changed and that your manifest URL is perfectly correct. Now, if a stream is labeled uncached or it's loading really slowly, that just means TorBox has to actually go out and download it first. You just gotta be patient, especially on the free tier, which has a smaller cache pool. What about 4K stuttering? Well, since TorBox delivers files at maximum speed from their servers, 99% of the time, a stuttering 4K stream is actually a bottleneck on your own local Wi-Fi network. Just ensure you have somewhere between 25 to 80 megabits per second of available bandwidth. And lastly, if you're suddenly missing movie posters or descriptions, just make sure Stremio's default Cinemeta add-on hasn't been accidentally disabled.